2013, over 40 exhibitors, 70 international speakers, and over 1,000 visitors from 22 countries participated in the West African Clean Energy and Environment Exhibition and Conference. This year, the third West African Clean Energy and Environment Exhibition and Conference, WACI 2014, is expected to host over 60 international exhibitors, 3 days of parallel conferences, and even more professional visitors from all over the world. The added feature of the WACI online marketplace allows exhibitors and visitors to connect before, during, and after the event. WACI 2014 will also host an official German pavilion with 20 German exhibitors. Date 3rd to 5th November 2014. Venue Accra International Conference Center. Is your company involved in renewable energy, energy efficiency, waste management and wastewater treatment, power generation and distribution? Then register as an exhibitor for WACI 2014 today. Call us on 0302 631 681 or send an email to info@ghana.ahk.de. Visit the exhibition website at www.waci.net.